Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to study one of the most important and very interesting topic, which is self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. My dear student, this topic will help us to understand how why water is considered as neutral, and how they play a major role in acid-base chemistry. So let's understand them step by step. Self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. My dear student, water is a very unique compound because it is not only acts as a solvent, but it can also behaves as both an acid and a base at the same time. My dear student, the special property of water leads to a process known as self-ionization or auto-ionization. Definition of self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. My dear student, self-ionization or auto-ionization of water is the process in which two water molecules react with each other to produce hydronium ions in H3O positive and hydroxide ions mean OH negative ion. It means that water molecules ionize by themselves without any external acid or base. A chemical reaction of self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. 2H2O is a liquid reversibly give H3O positive ion which is aqueous plus OH negative ion which is also aqueous. Or simply write is H2O liquid reversibly give H positive ion aqueous plus OH negative ion aqueous. Now explanation. Let's understand this process step by step. In pure water, there are countless water molecules. Second one, occasionally, one water molecule donates a proton, mean H positive ion, to another water molecules. Third one, the molecules that donates H positive ion acts as a Bronsted acid, while the molecules that accepts H positive ion act as a Bronsted base. Fourth one is the result, two new ions are formed. Hydronium ion is H3O positive, which is the protonated water molecule. And the second one, hydroxide ion, OH negative ion, which is the molecule that lost a proton. So, thus, water maintains equilibrium between these ions and the unionized water molecules. Now, equilibrium expression of self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. The equilibrium constant for this reaction is represented by Kw, the ionic product of water. Now, Kw is equal to H positive ion, concentration of H positive ion, and concentration of OH negative ion. Now, at 25 degrees centigrade room temperature, Kw is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 14. This means concentration of H positive ion is equal to concentration of OH negative ion, which is also equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7 m. Now, important points to remember for self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. First one, pure water is neutral because the concentration of hydrogen ions mean concentration of H positive ion and hydroxide ions mean concentration of OH negative ion is equal in pure water. Second one, temperature dependence. The value of K in W increases with an increase in temperature because ionization is an endothermic process. And the third one is no external substance needed. The ionization happens spontaneously. That's why It is called self-ionization. Now, significance of self-ionization. First one is basis for pH scale. Dear student, the concept of pH is based on the concentration of hydrogen ions in water, which comes from self-ionization. pH is equal to negative log of concentration of each positive ion. Second one, neutrality of water. Pure water is neutral because concentration of each positive ion is equal to concentration of each negative ion. So pH is equal to 7. Third one, helps in acid-base reactions. Dear student, self-ionization explains how acids and bases react in aqueous solution, since both concentration of each positive ion and concentration of each negative ions are already present in water. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.